I don't know what to do.
That's annoying!
Looks terrible. We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear, oh dear. Hello, boys.
Oh, hello. Hello, Janice.
As you may have noticed, there's 100% less terrible shirts in the studio today. And that's because Sorted's head of Spanish offence and bacon, Jamie, is unwell. Get well soon, Jamie.
Get well soon, Jamie.
So that means today it's just 2 normals and a chef. So you will each go twice, 6 minutes per turn. So that's less overall time, but no plating handicap.
But and a better chef to normal ratio.
As a ratio, it's better, but it's only 36 minutes.
2 goes.
And he has to get in 2 storms. 2 storms.
I got this covered.
Oh, okay. So what's the theme, Janice?
Today's theme is 5 ingredients. You must collectively create a delicious and impressive dish using only 5 ingredients. Oil, salt and pepper are free. The order will be decided by our new spinny wheel.
Oh, what?
Oh, we've got to get our money's worth out of that. Thanks, Janice.
Spin now to decide who goes first and then at the end of each turn. Each player must go twice. Good luck.
I see, so every time you finish your 6 minutes, you have to spin again. And we're starting with...
No! Yes!
Yes!
Yes, we've got a chance.
Could go well.
First thing, go and pick some ingredients, maybe just one. Got to leave enough choice for the boys. Deliberately pick something that I can do multiple things with in my 6 minutes. I'm going to start by getting some onions, and we're going to roast some onions because that'll give us sweet char and hopefully 36 minutes. So maybe after 30 minutes in the oven, they'll be sweet and sticky and roasted. Just salt, pepper and oil because that's all we've got. A nice hot oven, 200 degrees, hopefully 30 minutes time, that will be something. I've had half my time. Because we're going to use onion, I'm going to make sure that we use lots of onion in multiple ways. What else is lovely on a dish? Some kind of acidity. I only want the juice, but it would be a waste not to use this given we're only allowed 5 ingredients. So I'm going to take the lemon and put that to one side. Salt, pepper and oil is free. So loads of black pepper. Do you reckon if I do that, they'll get the idea? Please get that idea. That's going to go in there with more salt, salt and pepper and lemon in there. I've only got 20 seconds left. All I've done in my first go is choose 2 ingredients. No, 3, I brought the tacos back. I'm putting them back, I'm putting them back, I'm putting them back. That way, they can go anywhere they want. What I hope it will have is lemon and pepper seasoning on something with pickled red onion and roasted red onion, and that's my time. 6 minutes is not long. I don't think it actually matters. At this oh, that might matter. I have another 6 minutes now, and then there's 24 minutes of normal cooking to finish off the dish. Interesting. Got another 6 minutes. That was not my plan because now I actually need to do something with the silly idea I started. So, we've got roasted onions, got pickled onions, we've got a lemon and black pepper seasoning. In that case, I have seen some fish on the board. We could do tuna, we could do salmon, and then maybe like a taco-y thing, maybe it needs some cheese. 1, 2, 3. That would still only be 3 ingredients. That would still leave them 2 ingredients to play with. Think. Right, a lovely lemony black pepper marinade going on there, and we'll get a pan on for it. And I'll put that in just before we go. Oh my goodness, I'm all over the place here. What I'm going for is I'm bringing these back because I was kind of thinking that might work, but is there another way we can take onion? I'm literally going to boil some onions and really hope that they blend it into the simplest red onion puree. I'm going to boil it with salt and sugar. Is that on our list? No, it's not. Damn, lemon is though. With all the elements, will they think that we need something fresh to go with it? We've got this lemon and black pepper salmon, which I'm going to put into the pan. Skin side down and dry. It's an oily fish, so if I put it in dry, hopefully that skin will start to go nice and crispy. We have used lemon, red onion, tacos, but if they want to change that, they can, and salmon. Boil this rapidly and puree it into a smooth onion puree with roasted onion, pickled onion. Salmon has got the fatty creaminess but the citrus zest. It does need something either dairy fat or fresh, green and vibrant. They've only got one ingredient they can add. Fingers crossed, but that is now my time up. 12 minutes makes more sense. I'm just worried that now it's all up to the normals. Who's up next? It's going to be Barry to have a 6-minute go.
Right, let's count the ingredients first of all. We have 1, 2, because I can see lemon on that. We've got onion that is being roasted off, and I saw some that has been blanched, pickled, and another lot that's being boiled off. Boiled onions. Interesting. Salmon that's cooking, that's probably burning. Fish slice. Interesting. Interesting method of cooking. What's he expecting me to do there? It's not very hot, is it? Is he expecting fish tacos? Or should we mix it up? This is that spicy noodle stuff. This stuff is amazing. Let's change it up. I think I like that. Let's get rid of these. Let's get rid of those. We've got a salmon, and I think we need to flake that salmon off, so we don't need to cook it too much. So what I'm thinking, put that back in there. That was silly, it's pointless. Right, what I want to do is I want to have half of these noodles in with this mix, and then this stuff goes in now. Ooh, that's not what I expected. Right, I've only got 30 seconds left. All I've done is put some noodles in hot water, and that's all I've done in 6 minutes. Salmon, I think, is now done. That's to say, chop it up. We've used onion, we have used ramen, and lemon. So far, 4 ingredients, 1 left to use. Either me or Mike next, I guess. Hey, Mike!
SIDEKICK bundles 3 inspiring meals together in recipe packs that share fresh and store-cupboard ingredients to save you cash. New recipe packs are released every week, so you'll always have a choice that suits you. You can plan your week using our amazing new planner feature and combine 2 recipe packs in order to plan for more days of your week. SIDEKICK will then generate 1 single shopping list for all those meals, ordered by category to make shopping a lot easier. Then cook using the step-by-step recipe guides, automatic timers, and smartly placed washing up prompts to ensure fail-safe results and a clean kitchen before you even take a mouthful. And all the fresh food that you bought at the beginning of the week will be entirely used up. Why not give SIDEKICK a try today, completely free for 30 whole days?
Okay, what do we have? Salmon, ramen, onion, lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? Okay, phew. I thought they'd used all 5. Okay, right. Less time, less ingredients, less ability. So we've got oh dear, what have we got? Oh, there's more onions! Come on, let's quickly get stock of what's going on. They are roasting, they are roasted, they're roasted. Okay, what's happening here? I've got to think about this. Are we doing a salmon-y ramen broth that doesn't really taste of much? That's boiled down so much. Okay. What could we do? I'm gonna cook these anyway. Right, Mike, just do something. We've done ramen fries before, so even if that was just a case of boil them off and fry them in some oil. I've done nothing. I've done nothing except put that in there in 6 whole minutes. It's not even boiling. The kettle wasn't even boiling. So great, we've got probably cold, no, tepid water. That's what I've done in 6 minutes. There's more soup base, which makes me look really stupid, but it does actually stand us a better chance of succeeding. So I'm going to put that there. It's time to spin the wheel. Let's get Barry back in. Come on, 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 come on. It is actually Barry. Well, here goes.
Okay, what we got? Okay, so noodles are now overcooked. My other set of noodles are in that bit of water. What is that? No, that's going to be crunchy. What's he done? Has he just put my other bit of noodle in that water? Oh my goodness, is that all we've done? Is that all we've done? All we've done is just put noodles into water. That's all us normals are capable of. Okay, right, let's just drain this. These are undercooked, so hopefully we can meet in the middle.
Yes, Barry, because that's exactly how it works.
Why was there so much water going on? Why do we need more water? Whatsoever, where's the spice from? Oh my God. There was a spicy sachet in there, but I missed. All right, okay, right. In that case, we need to get some spice in there. How have we got instant noodles wrong? Back into this pan, right. All we've got to do is get some flavour into those noodles. What the hell am I going to do now with this? Charring this. Get some flavour left in that pan. Let's use it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is Mike going to know what to do with this? All we have to do is put noodles on a plate with some charred lettuce, pickled, roasted, flakes of salmon. Should be quite exciting.
Okay, what have we got? What have we got? Okay, that's good. That's good. Where's the soup gone? We've just got noodles now. We've got onion noodles. What has happened? Okay, well, I've got no time to think. Okay, so this is just a plate of salmon, charred lettuce. Have we used all of this? Oh, Barry, there's some of this. There's still some of this. That looks like it's been, what's that been seasoned in? Just get a bit of that on there for flavour, and then I'm wondering whether I can sprinkle some of that over the lettuce. Okay, let's have some tongs, let's get some plates. I haven't got any time to cook stuff, so it's just about plating. I'm going to stick the onions in for a little bit longer. I took them out, hoping that whoever was going last would put them back in just to give them a final roasting. So I'll save that. Let's get some salmon on there. Yeah, nice. Okay. Didn't need all the lettuce, but hey, we got something. I mean, that's not good, is it? That's not good. Do I flake it all together? Do a plate of noodles? No. Okay, I'm gonna flake the salmon. Screw it, guys.
Oh gosh, we've been here before.
This is a shambles. Look at this. We've got roasted onions. Maybe we'll just go for the one. Pickled onions on top. I don't know what the flavour profile of this dish is. I honestly don't. And a squeeze of lemon on the lettuce. And that's me done. I have no idea what that is.
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video. Subscribe if you aren't. Click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Hello.
Hi.
I feel good about that.
Curb that enthusiasm, Ebbers. I'm going to mix it up. Seeing as we didn't score ourselves, what are you scoring yourselves now out of 10, Ebbers?
I used a fair chunk of the ingredients, but I feel like I set you up on a nice linear journey. I'm going to give myself a solid 6.8. Oh. Maybe 7.2.
More like
7.2.
Okay. 4.
4.
4.
2.5. Right.
What?
Ready?
Hang on.
Ta-da!
Oh.
Not oh.
There's only one thing different to what I was kind of planning,
Yep. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
and that was the crispy texture of some kind of like baked tortilla wraps that I left out.
Yep.
I think what we have here, spicy instant ramen, salmon, pickled onions, roasted onions. I think there's some boiled onions in amongst the ramen, lettuce, and there was lemon somewhere in this, and I squeezed some on here at the end. So that's our 5 ingredients.
5 ingredients and a plate
success.
of food.
Success.
Wait, let's taste it first.
So it meets the brief.
Does it look like a success?
Yes. It's very underwhelming. Thing is, knowing how much you can do with just 5 ingredients,
Yes.
that is underwhelming.
There are good elements on the plate.
I think all the elements individually are good or fine. Together, 5 fines don't make a right. So how did this start?
So this started, I just picked up a few ingredients. Onion, I figured we could pickle, roast to get a nice sweetness, and then I put some into a pan to boil down so we could make like a red onion puree as a little spready thing as well. Puree? As long as you can soften them enough. It's not delicious without other things as well, but it would have been okay.
Knowing that spicy ramen has lots of different angles, lots of different flavours, I thought maybe with the salmon, with the lemon, with the onions, we could take it in a noodly mix sort of thing. So that's why I stuck those on.
Did you stick all of them on?
No, I stuck half of them on. I left the other half out for texture.
Excellent.
I saw an inch of onion mortar with some ramen in it, and I tasted it and thought, well, that tastes of something and there's onions in it. Are we making a soup? So I was like, okay, so I topped it up a little bit because there wasn't enough liquid. And then I panicked. So I then took out the remaining half of the ramen noodles that were dry and put them in some water that I thought was boiling, but it ended up being tepid.
I just put some lettuce into a hot pan. Oh yeah, and mixed the hot spice in.
And then you put it on a plate.
You know what? It's completely edible.
There's nothing wrong with
I
it,
mean-
there's just nothing
There's nothing wow about
exciting,
it.
interesting, or particularly clever about it.
No, but if you ate it midweek, you'd go, that's pretty nice, and I'm happy with it. But that's not what we're aiming for.
I never thought I'd say this, but I miss Jamie.
No, you don't. Jamie wouldn't have added texture, he would have put a slice of bread on it.
Do you know what? Croutons might have helped.
There's no point in going down the line. Unanimous fail?
That is a pass as per the brief, but a fail as per pass it on.
Yes.
We all saw that coming.
Completely agree.
What did you think? Comment down below. Give us a rating and let us know if it's a pass or a fail.
Don't do that. My confidence is on the floor at the moment.
So in 24 minutes,
Yeah.
you guys boiled noodles and grilled lettuce.
Yeah.
What is going on?
No,
12 years we've been doing this.
2 ingredients I used.